ekhaya egcekeni. Kahle kahle usuke engenwe umuntu okwakumele abe ilento ayefuna ukuthi abe yiyona mhlambe abe Isangoma, okungenzeka omunye wayeyisona washeshe wahamba, omunye waye kumele ayithathe le ndlela yokuba Isangoma wanqaba. Manje usephuma usefuna ukuvela kulomntwana lo ngenxa ukuthi akabanga azayifeze izinto kwafanele ayifeze eqaleni. So usengena ngenye indlela kulomntwana aloke emgulisa ukuthi fanele labantu ahleli nabo babone ukuthi lo mntwana khona lento emngenini. Kwesinye isikhathi ke umntwana umbona ngokuthi omunye akazwani nokuhlala nabantu isikhathi esiningi. Kwesinye isikhathi melele kunezinto azibonayo. Yes, akhulume nalabo bantu angabazi. Mhlawumbe uthothi ubona isakwazi esidala nje sizokhuluma naye, umntwana ngithi usamncanyana ka understand. So akakamgulisi kakhulu ngaso sikhathi cause akakazi lutho vele. So nalento nje ukuthi yena akazwani nabantu, umelele kunabantu ababona abadala, abone emanzini, abone nje angathandwa futhi naye noma ubani. Umuntu onedlozi akathandwa enombani, akafuna umuntu. Yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt. Just having a feeling because.
And there is Iswasa. Silbisa ngani Iswasa?
Umuntu osafundela ukuba
training yesangoma. Training sangoma, sangoma training. Yes. Training sangoma. From the stage and his son, I'm just a normal person. If there is something yama ancestors akhona ngimina, it will show by ama signs ahlukahlukene. Sometimes it will happen that I don't see anything, but I will just pack my stuff and go to the home of a Isangoma, not knowing where I'm going and not knowing the Isangoma I'm going to, but I'll go to a Isangoma. And on my way, the Isangoma that my ancestors are sending me to, she will know that I'm coming. Then she will do everything that my ancestors are telling her to do to me. Right? Then he will train me. It's not like he's training me. In fact, we do not have a word for Iswasa because Isangoma is not training me. But I will be with her and my ancestors will be talking to me, not to her. So there's nothing much that she will be training me on. It's just giving me advices here and there. But yes, we call it a trainee Sangoma. That is Itwasa. Then after some sessions that she will give me, she will bring me back home. They will slaughter a cow in my home. Then when I get home, when they've slaughtered this cow, then I will be a Sangoma now. Then I will be telling fortunes to anyone. And Inyanga, a traditional healer, will not tell you about your fortunes, will not tell you about your history, but you will tell her or tell him that you have this and that problem. And from the problems you will be telling her or him, then he will know that he will have to take this medicine and this medicine, this mixture, and give you, then your problems will be solved. That is the difference.